Next.
What? What's that?
I was calling the next act.
Next! What do you think this is, a bakery? Next. Two more loaves. Next.
No, but our next guest doesn't need an introduction, so I just wanted to get her on as quick as possible.
Next! Tommy, look, if you're going to be rough and rude to our guests, then I'm not going to let you do introductions all by yourself. You can't treat an artist like that. You just can't come out here and holler, next! And like that. Next, get on, do your thing. You've got to prepare the audience. You have to know psychology, Tommy. So you've got to work up some anticipation, a sense of anticipation. You just can't come out here and yell, next, like a cattle drive. Now, put some thought into it.
I'm sorry.
You could really do a good job if you'd really tried.
I'm sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm really sorry. It's with great pride and pleasure that we prepare you for our next artist.
Yes.
She was a guest on our show last year, and we're glad to have her back.
We certainly are.
She's a gracious and talented American. Her name is Kate Smith. Kate, next!
Looked up to the skies, drinking in the rain.